Well, I'm on my way to install a show. It is 9:25, I've left a little bit late. I'm not planning on buying anything. I'm gonna have to stay away from Unilight. I mean, I don't know. I'm not planning on buying anything, but you never know, do you? I'm not going all the way around it because I've got no interest in building game and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna have a look at some of the companies I know and see what new tools they've got, stuff like that. Apart from that, yeah, have a good look round. Day out. Right, I'll see you there, guys. Well, I'm here at Installer Show. So let's go and have a look, see what everything's about. And hopefully meet the world's strongest man. Speak to you in a bit. I've got a City Plumbing stand and we're hoping to see the world's strongest man. Can't bother. Well, apparently they sent Eddie Hall. We can't see him. Oh well, hopefully there later. Well, that's the installer finished. Been a good day. A few freebies. Treat myself. Food. I like a lot. That's another installer over and done with for a year. It's nice to meet some nice people. PB Plumber, Blue Bulldog, Luke, Paul from McDonald Plumbing Supplies. Yeah, it was good. Most of the plumbing gear was on the main hall, which was good. But yeah, I enjoyed it. Treated myself to a PB jobbing bag and a gas sniffer from TPI. Didn't crack the code though to win the DC 710. Gutted. Thought I'd have got that. But, you know, oh well, nobody won it as far as I know. But yeah, it was a good day. I'm on my way home now. So happy plumbing, boys and girls. See you soon.